Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of creative wooden art home decor, where nature, craftsmanship, and design come together to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. From elegant wall art to handmade wooden lamps, from rustic furniture to small DIY projects, wooden decor isn't just decoration. It's timeless, warm, and full of character. If you love design, creativity, and eco-friendly style, this video is for you. So stay tuned as we explore how wooden art can bring beauty, comfort, and personality into every corner of your home. When we talk about creativity in the home, one of the most versatile and timeless mediums to work with is wood. It is warm, familiar, natural, and endlessly adaptable. From small projects you can make on your own, to larger decor pieces that transform an entire room, wooden art at home is more than just decoration. It is a lifestyle, a way of reconnecting with both nature and craftsmanship. What makes wooden art so special is the fact that it invites creativity at every level. You don't need to be a professional carpenter or an experienced artist to bring wooden art into your home. Even small, simple touches, like handcrafted frames, a rustic shelf, or a minimalistic wooden clock, can completely change the atmosphere of a room. And because wood carries its own natural beauty, its grain, its texture, its warmth, every piece already has a story to tell. All you have to do is shape it into something that fits your personality and your space. Let's begin with small wooden decor projects, perfect for those who are new to working with wood or on a budget. Think of items like coasters, trays, candle holders, or small wall hangings. These can be made from leftover scrap wood, which means they cost almost nothing but can be sold or gifted for high value. A simple set of polished wooden coasters, for example, doesn't just protect your table. It becomes part of the dining experience. A rustic wooden candle holder adds warmth to evenings, turning a plain night into something cozy and memorable. These small touches remind us that creative wooden art doesn't always need to be grand or complicated to make an impact. Moving to medium-sized projects, wooden shelves, mirrors with carved wooden frames, or layered wall panels can turn functional pieces into works of art. A floating shelf made from reclaimed wood doesn't just hold books or plants. It becomes an artistic statement in itself. Wooden frames carved with patterns or painted with creative finishes highlight memories and photos, while adding character to plain walls. Layered panels, sometimes arranged in geometric or mosaic patterns, create textures that catch light in beautiful ways, giving depth and dimension to any room. For those who want to push creativity further, wooden furniture pieces are where the artistry really shines. A handcrafted wooden coffee table can become the centerpiece of a living room. A bedside table made of reclaimed wood can tell stories of its past life while serving a very present purpose. Wooden benches, stools, or chairs can be designed with intricate carvings, minimalist lines, or even mixed with resin and glass to create a modern fusion of natural and contemporary design. Every piece of furniture is not just about use, it's about presence. It anchors a room, sets the tone, and becomes something people remember when they step into your home. One of the most creative trends today is wooden lighting decor. Wooden table lamps, pendant lights, or wall-mounted sconces transform spaces in subtle yet powerful ways. The way wood interacts with light is magical. It softens harsh brightness into a warm, golden glow, creating moods of peace and comfort. Imagine a bedside lamp carved from a single block of wood, or a chandelier made from driftwood branches. These are not just sources of light. They are sculptural art pieces that redefine how a room feels when the lights go on. And we can't forget wall art, one of the most accessible and popular ways to bring creative wooden decor into a home. Wooden wall art comes in countless forms: 3D carvings, abstract patterns, inspirational quote signs, or even simple rustic planks arranged into shapes. DIY wall art projects are especially rewarding because they let you add something deeply personal to your space. A hand-painted wooden sign with your favorite quote, a carved mandala, or a driftwood arrangement can become the centerpiece of a wall. Unlike posters or printed decor, wooden art carries texture, depth, and a sense of permanence that makes it stand out. For those who love storytelling through art, sculptural wooden pieces bring an entirely different dimension. A carved animal figurine on a desk, a wooden bowl displayed on a dining table, or an abstract sculpture placed on a shelf instantly elevates a room. Sculptures don't need to be large or expensive to have impact. They just need presence. The tactile quality of wood, the way it feels to touch and see, gives sculptures a warmth that other materials cannot match. What's even more inspiring is that wooden art allows for sustainability and eco-consciousness. Many creators are now using reclaimed wood, driftwood, or scraps that would otherwise be wasted. This means your decor is not only creative, but also kind to the environment. A table made from an old door, a lamp from driftwood, or a tray from leftover planks each carries a message of renewal. Proof that beauty doesn't require new resources, only new imagination. But perhaps the most beautiful part of creative wooden art at home is that it is deeply personal. Every piece can reflect your taste, your culture, your story. It can be rustic, modern, minimalist, or intricate. It can fit into a small apartment or a large house. Wooden art is versatile enough to blend with any interior style: Scandinavian minimalism, industrial lofts, cozy farmhouse, or luxurious modern homes. Wherever you place it, it adapts, and yet always keeps its natural identity intact. In the end, creative wooden art at home is not about following strict rules or design trends. It is about expression. It is about filling your space with objects that carry soul and warmth. It is about transforming your home into more than just a set of rooms. It becomes a living, breathing place filled with textures, light, and meaning. So whether you start with something small, like a set of wooden coasters, or dream of bigger projects like a handcrafted dining table, remember this: wood gives you the opportunity to create something timeless, something that will last, something that will not only decorate your home, but also bring you closer to nature, to craftsmanship, and to the beauty of creativity itself. And that's the end of today's video. Wooden art decor is more than just style. It's about bringing nature, warmth, and creativity into your home. From small DIY projects to elegant statement pieces, each wooden creation adds a story, a texture, and a soul to your living space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more creative home decor ideas. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which wooden decor piece inspired you the most. Thanks for watching, and remember, with a little creativity, even the simplest piece of wood can turn into something timeless and beautiful. See you in the next video.